Welcome back to my channel. This is Speedway. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when we drop another powerful strategy like this. And also, you can also join our Telegram group and check up our mentorship plan. And also guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you guys how you can trade on crash 500 5-minute time frames and begin to take a profit the way it is now in the market. You see what the profit is running. So each only what costs us a lot of profits, and guys, that is the secret I'm sharing with you now. So let me pause this particular video because I'm going to close all this trade particular now. Let me pause this. So guys, you can see now we have closed everything, and if we check our history now, we see that we have made $420 with this particular strategy. So guys, I'm going to explain in details inside this particular video how you can scrape the market with this strategy and keep on taking up a entry at the best level. As you can see now, we have another confirmation entry that is confirming this particular area, which is going to be on a downtrend, but we are not yet certain. But as you can see now, it's reaching our 90 level, and the moving average, which is the blue 9 here, it has crossed over the envelope, and we have our Bollinger Band also moving above the envelope, and also that make us for us to enter into a sell entry and begin to sell down. But currently now we see the trade that I just closed was taken around this particular area. I was taken from here. You see, it was taken from here, and I keep on taking the trade until I have it full at this particular area before I close this particular trade. And one of the things that give me the confirmation for me to enter this particular trade is that I have my my moving average and the Bollinger Band moving above the envelope, and it reached my 10th level, which happens to be this particular area. You see, this particular region, and this is exactly where I got my entry. And from this particular area I begin to sell up on the uptrend until I have my full profit in the house. So guys, let me show you some sample of what you need to know about this particular strategy. You see, we have another entry at this particular area. You are going to be seeing our moving average, which is our blue 9 here, and our Bollinger Band, which is the 3 green 9 that you are seeing here. They are going to be moving up together on the uptrend above the envelope, which is the blue parallel 9 and the red parallel 9 and the charts. And once it move above it, and once it reach the 90 level, like what happened here, you see it reached the 90 level, and what happened here, we keep on selling on a downtrend until we have our full profits, and that's exactly how you need to do. And also, if we check this particular area too, you will see that we have a full confirmation here because it's reached our 10 level, and we show to us that we are going to be having a scrapping market. If you can take up to 5 to 6 candlestick, then you are still in your profit. And also, you can decide that all your taking profits are going to be you can be taking it on 50 level. That's your decision. So guys, more of it you can do exactly like this. What happened here, we have a full confirmation here reaching our 90 level at this particular region, because we can see that our moving average move above the envelope. And also, if you can check our Bollinger Band also very well, you will see that it's moved above the envelope too. So just give us a full confirmation that we have a trade that is giving up on spike entry. And you can see that you keep on taking this particular trade from this particular region up to this level until you have a full profit in the house. You see that? So we have another one here at this region also. You see what happened here, the two move above the region at this particular area, you can see, but there is a reverse in the market. It sell on the uptrend little bit, and it give us a long spike before it respects that level, that level. So you don't have anything to scare. Once you find it so accurate, just make sure you follow everything that we explain inside this particular video. Make sure you know the two importance of these two level, and once it reach that particular level and it's the moving average and the Bollinger Band move outside the envelope, then you are good to go. So guys, as you can see, exactly happen at this particular region, and same thing happen here. You see the Bollinger Band and the moving average are moving above the envelope at this particular time, and we can confirm them that they are on 90 level. So what we are taking here is that the market is going to reverse a little bit before it's starting giving us a downtrend. But currently now we can see that the market is on a downtrend. So guys, let me show you the settings of this particular strategy. So we have our main chart. In our main chart, we don't have anything there. So you just go straight to our indicator window 1, and inside this indicator window 1, you are going to click on this our FX, and you are going to be selecting your relative strength index. And once you select your relative strength index, you are going to be setting up your period to 14. You are going to be applying to close, and your style is going to be on the color of your background. So I'm using white background, and that's why I have my color to be white here. So, and also we have the event level, which is very important. We have the 10 level, happens to be our buy zone, and also we have our 90 level, which happens to be our sell zone. And we have our moving and our take profits at this particular area, which is our take profit. You can set it become 1, and then you can press on done. Then now let's go back to our envelope. We have our period of 75. We have our shift to be 0. We have divisional to be 0.900. We have methods to be simple. We have apply to close, and we have our upper band and our lower band to be in this color. You see, just make it so permanent the way I make it like this. Then you press on done. Then we have our Bollinger Band, which is the period of 20. We have our divisional to be 2.000, and we have our shift to be 0. We have apply to close, and we have our color to be in green color. Then you press on done. So after this, we have our moving average, which is the last strategy that we are going to be adding to our indicator window 1. We have our period to be 9. We have our shift to be 0. We have our method to be exponential, and we have our apply to close. So you see this, you can choose any color of your choice at this particular area, and with that you can press on done. So after setting it like this, you have it the way I have it here on the same chart like this. The way I have it here on the same chart. So guys, you can see now. Make sure you know the importance of these two levels. They are very important. And our 50 level here is our take profit. You can decide that anytime you get your trade to this particular area, you can decide to take your profit at this area. So that is the benefit of that the 50 level. And also for those who always ask what is the zoom level, I will tell you guys that I'm using the third zoom level. So if you want to use your own zoom level, you can also use the second zoom level and the third zoom level. That is the two level that I can recommend for you. So guys, you see exactly what is happening in the market. You can keep on taking this particular strategy, and I've already run it and I've already tested it, and I've already have that full confirmation in it that is really working. So guys, you just set it up and you can easily trade it, but make sure you practice more on your demo account before using your real account. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy like this. And guys, you can like and share our video all around, and you can also join our Telegram group for more updates on boom and crash. Thanks.